We are back from
the Swami.
And so this is part 2.
And we're still making the other slime.
I made it with Gade.
And I made it with
Oh. Slime.
Mine is buttery. I don't think the contact lens solution will work good one.
No, I think it is baby soda.
Don't try. You don't even use it. So let's try it at least. Let's put a bunch.
No. This is not working.
Yours?
Uh-huh.
You have to knead it, that's why.
Every time I put some, it gets...
Oh, ya tienes suficiente. I think you just have to
Don't touch it. Okay, so we're gonna go eat right now after this part. We have to hurry up because I told my mom 10 minutes.
That's enough. I need Tide.
You want me to put some?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Well, yours is so small.
Because you gotta wait more.
Hurry up. A lot.
Oh. Okay, so 15 minutes ready. I'm just gonna...
I'm like a mirror. I just went in. Oh, my phone is getting better.
My mom has brown eyes. Brown hair. She painted it. Weight 147 libras. ISS. What's that mean?
Mine is still sticky. Could you add more?
I will just add it.
Okay. I like the color of mine. Yours reminds me of watermelon.
This is green apple.
It reminds me of mint. I don't know why. And yours is watermelon. Or strawberry.
Or cherry.
Nah, cherry is red.
This is red.
That looks pink. Is it coming up?
Yeah.
My hands are full of it. Here, put it down. Because it did work. We just need to knead it.
Okay, so mine's buttery.
Mine
It's
is sticky.
really not sticky.
It's hard.
Yes. What? Pendeja, pues, ¿por qué no lo agarras?
I did get it.
Sure.
Okay, and I'm not playing with that slime. I'm gonna go wash my hands, okay? And then from there we're gonna go eat.
Eat? No. We're gonna make slime. We still have to do all the video. Okay. So now we're gonna go for the next one. I'm gonna be doing wax this time. And she's gonna be doing contacts. So here, I'll pour the glue. Okay?
Well, I'll go through direction.
What color do you want?
I'll add the color.
Niña, a comer ahorita que está calientito, por favor. En la cama no me hagas cochinero nada.
Ignore
¿Me van a
that.
bañar?
So we are mixing them. We mix those two. It's gonna turn into like I believe a gray. Come here. So, yeah.